from the way of the righteous and the wicked. Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked, nor stands in the way of sinners, nor sits in the seat of scoffers, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law meditates day and night. He is like a tree planted by streams of water, that yields its fruit in his season, and his leaves does not wither. In all that he does, he prospers. The wicked are not so, but are like chaff the wind drives away. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For the Lord knows the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked will perish. Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. And his righteousness to children, children to those who keep his commandments and remember to those commandments. The Lord has established his throne in the heavens, and his kingdom rules over all. Bless the Lord, O his angels, you mighty ones who do his will, obeying the words of the Lord. Bless the Lord, O all his hosts, his ministers who do his will. Bless the Lord, all his works in all places of his dominion. Bless the Lord, my soul. Psalm 121. My help comes from the Lord. I lift up my eyes to the hills, from where does my help come? My help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. He will not let your foot be moved. He says you will not slumber. Behold, he says your son will neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord shall keep it. The Lord shall shade on your right hand. The sun shall not strike you by day. The moon by night. The Lord will keep you from all evil. He'll keep your life. The Lord will keep you going out and coming in from this time forth and forevermore. Psalm 127. Unless the Lord builds the house, those who build it labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the watchman stays awake in vain. It is in vain that you rise up early and go late away, eating the bread of anxious toil, for he gives to his beloved sleep. Behold, children are a heritage from the Lord. The fruit of